marketing, computer networks. History of internet, e-commerce, forces shaping of e-commerce, web-based business, marketing strategies, etc. So, what is marketing? Social and manage process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and what through creating, offering, and exchanging products of values with others. This definition rests on the following core concepts: needs, wants, demands, products, values, cost, and satisfaction. Exchange and transactions, relationships and networks, markets, marketers, and prospectors. Marketing is profitably using the result of studying short term and long term needs of those who can pay for a one time, or in most cases a steady flow of services, product placements. It is one of the primary components of business management and commerce. Marketers can directly their product to other business like B2B marketing or directed to consumer to marketing, regardless of who is being marketed to. Several factors apply, including the perspective of the marketers will use. It is also called market orientations. They determine how marketers will approach the planning stage of marketing. The marketing mix, which out which outlines the specifics of the product and how it will be sold, is affected by the environment surrounding the product. The result of marketing research and marketing and the characteristics of the product target market. Once these factors are determined, marketers must then decide what methods will be used to promote the product, including use the coupons and other price inducements. The term market It is commonly known as attracting customers, incorporates knowledge again by studying the management of exchange relationships and is a business process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' needs and wants. The marketing concept proposes that to complete its organizational objectives, an organization should anticipate the needs and wants of potential consumers and satisfy them more effectively than its competitors. This concept oriented from Adam Smith's book given the centrality of customers' needs and wants in marketing, a rich understanding of these concepts is essential. Something necessary for people to live a healthy, stable, and safe life. When needs remain unfulfilled, there is a clear adverse outcome, a dysfunction of health. Needs can be objective and physical, such as the need for food, water, and shelter. Something that is desired, wish for a aspire to, wants to, are not essential for a basic survival and are often shaped by the culture or peer groups. Commerce, the exchange of goods and services for money, consists of buyers, sellers, and producers. Producers, these are the people who create the products and services that sellers offers to buyers. Sellers, these are the people who offers goods and services to buyers. And buyers, these are the people with money who wants to purchase a good or services. Marketing research conducted for the purpose of new product development or product improvement is often concerned with identifying the consumer's unmet needs. Customer needs are central to market segmentation, which is concerned with dividing marketing into distinct groups of buyers on the basis of distinct needs, characteristics, or behaviors who might require separate products or marketing mixes. Places the customer's desires at the forefront of how a company design and market products or services. And this is the elements of e-commerce. You need a product or services to sell. You need a place from which to sell the products. You need to figure out a way to get people to come to your place. You need a way to accept orders. You also need a way to accept money. You need a way to deliver the product or service, often known as fulfillment. Sometimes customers do not like what they buy, so you need a way to accept returns. You need a customer service and technical support department to assist customers with products. And internet, it is very popular nowadays. It is started as US government project in 1969. The purpose was to create a net that can function even if one center is destroyed in military attack. Hub and spokes can be useless if the hub is destroyed. Network can continue to be functional even if some nodes are destroyed, as long as information can pass through other nodes. In 1980s, personal computers or terminals were connected to a server. The server was a mainframe or connected to the mainframe computer. The mainframe was connected to another mainframe of the company in another location via dedicated lines. Only large companies could afford the expense and the investment in the equipment. And today, connections are across countries and continents made through dedicated fast lines. A company may have one local network, LAN, which is connected to the internet through a regional network. Well established in North America, Europe, and certain Asian countries. And we know that computers are classified into mainframe computers, microcomputers, mid-range computers, supercomputers, like that. Mainframes, the term for very large computers, used to handle large amount of data or complex processes. Main advantage is a reliability. The next one is the middle range, medium sized, less expensive, and smaller, usually a server. Next one is the microcomputer. Workstations with computer capabilities, single user systems, link it to a network. What is a network? Series of pointers or nodes interconnected by communication paths. Node is a connection point for transmitting data. Network can interconnect with other networks to form global networks. And this is the advantage of networks. Facilitators, resource sharing, provides reliability, cost effective, provide a powerful medium across geographical divide. Geographical distance, local area network, a small area share a single server. That is LAN. The next one is a MAN, metropolitan area network. A wider network can bridge several LANs. Next, WAN, wide area network. A broader area covered can include several MANs. Internet, a network of networks that covers the entire globe. Internet uses TCP IP. Therefore, every computer on the internet has an IP address. IP address is numerical, separated by the dots. .com is for commercial purpose. .net for internet service providers. .org for non-profit, non-commercial groups. .gov reserved for government. .mil reserved for military. .int reserved for the international organizations. Assimilation of technology. Technology first adapted to the increase efficiency doing the same tasks faster. Example, word processing instead of typing. Technology next adapted to increase effectiveness doing tasks not only faster but better. Example, spreadsheets transform finance and accounting. As we know that e-commerce, web networks, internet. The evaluation of new business, the adoption of brick and mortar companies to the new economy. Market failures and economic explanations for the new economy. E-commerce applications first developed in 1990s through EFT, electronic fund transfer, limited to large corporations, financial institutions, a few other daring businesses. Limited 1990s. E-commerce mechanism means transformation of economic activity into digital media, exchange information, content, agreements, and services among parties that are connected to through the internet. Enables new ways of creating, delivering, and capturing value to customers. Availability and convenience. World Wide Web, a collection of documents that resides on computers and that can be accessed by other computers on the internet. Multimedia documents means text, images, sounds, drawing, videos. Hypertext links to other documents can begin execution of a program. Web browsers are computer program that can display web documents, follow links, execute other programs, enhance applications such as real-time audio or video, Netscape and Internet Explorer, the Microsoft legal trouble due to the Explorer. Computers that run server software. A server waits for request to arrive from a user. The request is typically for a document. The server sends the document to the requesting computer. Sometimes the server allows a user to fill in information on a document and then transfer the information to another program or server. The World Wide Web is not the internet. Access to the internet does not mean you have e-commerce. World Wide Web works in HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Web pages works in HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Web browser provides access to information on the www. As we know that e-commerce, distributing, buying, selling and marketing products and services over through electronic system. E-business for commercial transactions, involves supply chain management, e-marketing, online marketing, and electronic data interchange, EDI. Uses electronic technology such as internet, extranet, or intranet, and protocols. Forces shaping the digital age. To all the forces on internet, customization and customization, digitalization and connectivity, the explosion of the internet, and new types of intermediaries. Digitalization and connectivity, intranets connect a people within a company. Extranet means connect a company with its suppliers, distributors, and outside partners. Internet means connects users around the world. And internet explosion, explosive worldwide growth forms the heart of the new economy. Increasing number of users each month. Companies must adopt internet technology or risk being left behind. The next continuation topic we will discuss in the next class.